We got two killer hacks. This thing's acting up. Big shout out to Mr. Lee and Peralez at the Deal Team 6. So two different guys posted these deals at the Facebook groups, Deal Team 6. Big shout out to everybody that's been posting killer deals. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of the deals, the future deals that pop up on time. Killer deal for Ryobi, guys. We got the impact wrench and we got the miter saw. Alright, so let's start here with the miter saw. We got the brushless 10-inch sliding compound miter saw kit with the 4 amp hour high performance battery and a charger. So you guys know this miter saw, they redesigned it, they did all kinds of stuff to it. So it's a really nice miter saw. It does have just about 5 stars, 355 reviews on this. Let us know in the comment section if you guys like this saw or not. It does come with the HP high performance battery and a charger. $229, right? Yeah, you're like, oh no, hell no. Yes, it is cheaper than that. You guys know the hack. You guys know what that means, right? So yeah, down here, free gift with purchase. What you're gonna do is you're gonna stick this bad boy in the cart. This $119 battery. Add both to the cart, and you guys know just about how much this is gonna be. So it's gonna be $78.31 for the battery, right? Not the best deal, but check this out. $150 for a miter saw kit. I'm thinking of just buying this thing because I need a miter saw. Let us know that in the comment section if you have this miter saw and what's your experience with it. Should I buy it, or should I, or anybody here that watches this video, should they buy it? If there's any problems with this, or is it perfect? Are you a DIY? Are you a professional? Let us know. All right, so on to the next one, guys. Let's not waste any time here. All right, so let's move this recording thing this way, and let's get the window rolling here. High performance battery. That's the sliding miter saw. This one to the right. All right, guys, we got a high torque impact wrench. You guys heard it right. This is the one and only deal. This is even better than Harbor Freight. I believe the Bauer is like $129. For like $20 more, you're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff. All right, so I already set the price, by the way. You got the HP 18-volt brushless cordless 4-mode. You guys know this high torque impact wrench does have Milwaukee DNA. It is just about half Milwaukee, or 3/4 of the way Milwaukee, because you guys know Ryobi and Milwaukee, they're owned by the same companies, Rigid as well. TTI. All right, so we got the 4-mode 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench kit with the 4 amp hour starter kit. Metric socket set. Yes, guys, you guys are gonna get a impact rated socket set with this baby. All right, you got the 1 HP brushless. So this is the kit. You're gonna get a big battery. I believe that's a 4. I can't see. I'm kind of half blind here because I just came from work outside. This is 4 amp hour battery, and then you're gonna get a socket set with the case. I'm just thinking of just getting this just because of the case of the socket set. Isn't that crazy? All right, so that's what it comes with. 1/2 inch impact wrench, 4 amp hour battery charger. The charger is not the fastest, by the way. $149, guys. Last time these impact wrenches did sell out, so jump on it, guys. Jump on it before they sell out. There's 100. I just, as a matter of fact, I just looked at it right now. It was 180. Like a minute now that I finished this video, 173. So run, guys, run and get them. Even for a spare impact wrench, just to keep it in the truck. I mean, you don't want to keep your Milwaukee, your really expensive stuff in your Matco or whatever in the truck. Might as well keep something like this, you know. All right, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and big shout out to Deal Team 6. See you guys on the next one.